address of the camera. We're going to go to Internet Explorer. We're going to type in the IP address of the camera, 10.0.0.50. Takes us to a login screen. Sometimes it's going to ask you to download a new plugin. Let's just do it. So we say OK. And what we're going to do is we're going to save as, because I'll tell you why. So save as, and then we're just going to save this to the desktop. It's just a web component for the camera. There's one already there, so we'll replace it. After you download it, you got to close Internet Explorer completely, and then run the web components. It will not work if Internet Explorer is open, so it has to be closed. I think it usually takes longer if we're not connected to the internet because it's trying to run like a security scan. Then you go to finish and then you relaunch Internet Explorer. Retype in the IP address 10.0.0.50. The login is at whatever login we decided, which I did 12QWASZX. And here's your camera. So the first things that I always do, I always take off of it's called OSD. It's just something that I do. So we go to configuration, first thing image, OSD settings, and then I uncheck display name and display date, and then I save. All right. The next thing that we do is we have to make this camera communicate with the MVR. So we go to network, then we go to advanced settings, then we go to integration protocol, and we enable Hikvision CGI, we enable OnVIF, we save, and then we go to add. Now we add an an OnVIF user. So again, this is nominal, but I would use the same parameters used for the camera. So admin 12QWASZX, and you type it in again. And then the level we want is administrator, and we hit OK. And then we hit save. Next, we go up to system. We go up to security. We change both of these from digest to digest basic. We hit save. We go to security service, we uncheck illegal or enable illegal lock-in, save. So now the camera is configured to be added to the Digital Watchdog client. So if we exit out of this, open our Digital Watchdog client, right-click on the unit, add device, and then we type our device address in here. We type our username in here and our password in here, and then we go to scan. There's our camera, add selected, okay, close, and then it'll populate on this tree right here. All right, double click on it, and there's your image. You notice that this is not red, and there's no red dot right here, meaning it's not recording. So to get it to record, we right click on the image, we go to camera settings, we go to recording, we enable recording. I typically set these frame rates. This is a frame rate that I'm going to set to 15 frames per second. I'm interested in motion only recording, so I click on motion. I select the entire calendar. I also usually do a pre-recording for motion of 7 seconds and then a post-recording for 7 seconds. So basically it's going to record 7 seconds before and 7 seconds after. And then we hit apply, and then we hit OK. Now we got a red dot, and we got a red dot here, and it's recording. So that's adding a Hikvision camera.
Okay. Can you change the name when you're into, if you go to camera settings again? I saw where it said name. Could you change it?
The name of this?
Yes.
You can change it like this. It's a Windows computer, so if you just click on it slowly twice,
so you put off.
You can name whatever you want.
Okay.
That's how you change the camera name.
Stop.